while that button is stuck in. This is another elevator near the convention center. Center City, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. These are Schindler attractions, just like the one by the Chili's next door. Those don't light up. And that lantern button was stuck in 9. Go up to 9. That door close button is punched in. These are traction. Wow. Here we're at 9. Send those down to G and get a good look. Oh, that lights up. Take a good look around. There's the Marriott. I believe that's City Hall in the distance. You can sort of see City Hall over there. Down there's the Reading Terminal Market. There's a Jefferson Health building with the American flag waving in the breeze. My camera will focus on it. There we go. Storage bin stairs for MPE. Let's go back down now. Well, this call button's in a much better state than the one in the lobby. I really like those. I like these parking cards. That lights up. Let's send this down to G. I really like that ATM in the lobby sign. It's a pretty warm night for the beginning of March. There's another building. I'm not sure if this one lights up. This is on 12th Street. Yeah, that lights up. I'll send this one down too, because we're gonna take this one down. You can see some construction going on up there, but it's too dark to see. Up the window. G. Man, that phone box is awful. Very fast. Really like that neon for the Reading Terminal Market sign. Go back up to 9 if no one's here. Good. I really like those lights. And that Reading Terminal Market sign. Here we are at 9. Back to G. I can see why they put the Here's the phone. ADA compliant. And that's it.